Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, we're going to take a look at the pumpkins. Now, these are orange pumpkins, like Halloween. And we're also going to look at some of the melons. This will be cantaloupe. And then also some watermelon over there. So, we indeed are planting these or germinating them at, the right time of the year. It is right now April the 14th, 2022, so I don't foresee us having a big issue with any kind of insects at this time of the year. That's why everyone always recommends that you plant in the early spring here in Florida. Now, going forward, we'll see and monitor what the progress is of these melons and these pumpkins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress. Have a good day.